Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get an invoice on Agoda using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Trips at the bottom of your screen. Here you will see all the list of your hotel's reservations. Tap on the booking for which you need the invoice. Now scroll down on the booking details page. Look for an option that says invoice, receipt or payment details. If you see download invoice or view invoice, tap on it. Your invoice will now open on the screen. You can view it, download it or share it by mail. If you don't see an invoice option, don't worry, scroll down and tap on contact, property or customer support. In many cases, the hotel provides the invoice, not Agoda. If Agoda issued the payment, you can request an invoice from the support. If you paid at the hotel, you must request the invoice directly from the hotel, and that's it. That's how you get an invoice on Agoda using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.